Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use ClickUp to manage your freelance projects. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is, of course, create a new project in ClickUp. This is as simple as clicking on the plus sign and selecting Project. Here you can name your project, choose a color, and set a start and end date. Now, why is this step important? Well, it helps keep your work organized and provides a visual timeline for your project. Next up, let's add tasks to your project. Click on New Task and add a title and description. Remember, being specific here is key. It will help you stay focused on what needs to be done. By clearly defining tasks, we ensure that each step of the project is accounted for and nothing slips through the cracks. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign these tasks. This can be done by clicking on the Assignees button and selecting a team member. If you're a solo freelancer, just assign them to yourself. The reason we do this is to make sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. It creates accountability, and that's crucial for successful project management. Let me explain why this matters. ClickUp allows you to not only assign tasks, but also set their status and priority, which helps you manage your workflow effectively. You can set a task status to open, in progress, review, or complete, and prioritize them as urgent, high, normal, or low. Next, set due dates for your tasks. This is done by clicking on the Due Date button and selecting a date from the calendar. This helps us because it provides a clear deadline for each task, helping to prevent procrastination and keep the project on track. Lastly, let's not forget about the comments section. This is where you can add any notes or feedback for each task. It's an excellent way to document any important information or changes related to the task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you update tasks, ClickUp's project timeline and Gantt chart automatically update, giving you a visual representation of your project's progress and any potential bottlenecks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use ClickUp to manage your freelance projects. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, assign tasks, set priorities, and always keep an eye on your deadlines. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, happy project managing.